Good morning, it's Friday the 18th of September 2020. Just sorting out the birds that are not going. This one here, one of Alistair Hogg's, came back from the Rpra race covered in oil. I have tried to wash it off. It is getting better, so that's the first one that's not going. There's a little smoky blue hen here, A-ring 07408. This one's not going, came back late from Rpra. It's quite tired and she's still not quite ready to go. This one, H12253. This one's got a cut on the front, I believe. It's quite fresh, so she won't be going. This one, 20N 43351, check cock, and he's got a big gash on his side, so he won't be going. We got Z44463, dark check hen, big gap in the wing, looks like paragon attack, so she won't be going. This one's N72601, blue white flight hen. She was a late return. She's still light, won't be going. Blue cock V04418, a late return, won't be going. Mealy cock 20V71724, nice pigeon. He came back yesterday morning, quite thin, so he won't be going. And the last one in that crate that's not going so far is GB20R11283. And that was another late return, still a bit on the light side, so she won't be going. And then on the right hand side of this basket we have the white ones, 8 white ones and 1 yellow, and we will put 5 of those in the trapping area that will be hungry, so it encourages birds to go in if they see them eating. Put a bit of food in there when birds arrive, and we'll have another 4 near the rest bay loft, and if we got a problem, one comes on its own, we'll loose a pigeon and go to try and for one to follow it in, but we'll see. If a few come together, then we'll just leave them alone, let them get on with it, but I would hate one to come on its own and just sit there. Anyway, I just hope you know, a little insight of what's not going. And this list might be added to later when we actually mark, if we find any, you know, that are injured and what have you. All the best everyone, speak later.